Hi, I'm Ranbert D. Tambis from Kapalong, Davao del Norte. To be honest, wala talaga akong idea kung saang college ako papunta. So, pinili lang siya ng agent ko. I don't know anything about colleges. Pero sabi kasi nung agent ko, yung ACMI daw is good daw. So, I trusted her naman. So, I'm in the good hands naman rin. So, it's really good. Like, I can say it's excellent because I can say one of the main factor that contributed to the overall satisfaction that I've felt is that the trainer itself, Miss Parisa, because she's really good. She helped us a lot talaga for us to understand the subject. She really care not only during classes times but also outside the class. So we are ending this course now, but we were very thankful for her. Actually, hindi lang si Parisa, also the overall staff, they are very accommodating talaga. Especially if you have problems with regards to financial, with regards to your other matters that need to be discussed and to be done as quick as possible, tinutulungan talaga nila. So, yeah, that's it. Actually, hindi ko talaga alam na may Perth pala dati. Pero sabi kasi nung agent ko is Perth a very isolated place which could potentially have a lot of jobs for the future. So yun yung inisip ko. I'm not choosing states na like Melbourne, Sydney because I know the competition in there are at stake. If you're in there, it's so hard for you to get jobs on your field. So actually, thankful rin ako na nandito. Although it's a bit quiet, but I'm not thinking about now, but I'm thinking for the future. So yeah, thank you.